Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 tips that made me a better day trader. So number 1 tip is basically using a trend line and always have a point of origin, which is where the trend originated from. In this case, this is USD JPY and this is where the trend originated from. And also the point B, this is your point A. This is point A and your point B isn't here. No, it is here because a level of support got broken, which is over here, right? These 2 candles, and this gives you your point B, which point after your point B, you look for your point C, point D, and so on. You get the point. The second tip is basically using the moving average. The moving average is basically a dynamic level of support and resistance, and I'll show you that in a minute. So the moving average I use is 66 SMA, kind of thick. Yeah, so the thick black 66 SMA. So I'm gonna turn that on in a minute. So yeah, it acts as a dynamic level of support and resistance. So as you can see here, when the chart is below the moving average, basically you want to be looking for more of sells. Yeah, this is horrible, but when it's above the moving average, which happened here, you want to be looking for buys. So you want to take more buys above the moving average. Yeah, this is horrible, but you get my point. So, yes, this is really basic and simple, but we'll get to the deep stuff later. So the third and the last tip is basically an indicator called sessions. So it only works on like the H1 time frame, and this basically helps you know when your session starts. I know we all know that, or you should know that, but at the same time, it shows you when the big moves happen, especially when backtesting. So I'm gonna turn this on right now, and I only use it on the H1 and below. So as you can see, the visibility shows on the H1. So I'm gonna go down to the H1 time frame and turn it on. Oh, okay, it's on. So this is set for New York session. So this is for New York session, which is when USD JPY moves the most, New York and Asian session. So over here you can see like during the New York session, this shit tanked so much, this like 400 pips, which is crazy, you know? So it shows you when the biggest moves happen. So UJ sometimes moves during the Asian session because it is a JPY pair, but most times it moves during the New York session and it has like less weeks. So you see all this most times happens during the Asian session, because over here you can see that this happened during the New York session, but at the same time, a lot of the weeks or the liquidity, whatever happens during the Asian session, not the New Year session. So yeah, those are my 3 tips for today.